Ahoy, you two! Well, I'm excited because today we're gonna have a young guest in the shop. Well, you may have heard of him before. His name is Mike Montgomery from Modern Builds. And we're working on a project together where we have to forge some small utility knives. We've got two challenges ahead. One, he's never forged before, and two, we're using found materials. We'll talk a bit more about it when he gets here, but...
Ahoy!
Ah, you found the material.
That's right. I got these old leaf springs, stole them off a Buick in the Vaughn's parking lot. They should work great, right?
Proper pirate of you. So what needs doing?
Well, that's what you're here for, but I need to turn this spring steel into probably 5 miniature knives, something like 6-7 inches long. I want to keep it simple, something that I can actually accomplish.
Got it. Well, you brought us some nice spring steel, and you didn't pay for it, so that's always a plus. Let's get to it then. First things first, cut the stock. Now I've gone ahead and made a mild steel master, or at least what we're kind of aiming for. So we'll just cut some stock down, relative size, take everything else into the forge.
All right, we've got our pieces and we're ready to forge.
Ish. We're gonna take them and actually anneal them because there's some stress in that steel and we just want to soften it up a bit before we start forging. So, going into the propane forge first.
Okay.
Alright, young man. Time to talk hammers.
It's hammer time, let's do it.
I hate you. Which one do you want?
Okay, I like, this is my favorite.
That's mine. You don't get to use it.
Okay. I like this one, it's freaking beefy.
Way too big.
Way too big, okay. Then why did you even give it to me as an option?
No, just keep going.
Okay, if I gotta choose one between the last two, I like the pig on this.
That's too big.
So we're down to this.
Yeah,
We're gonna use this hammer.
perfect. That'll do.
Cool.
So on the other side, we need to make modern builds.
You got letters? We got an M and a B.
I got letters.
Come on, Micah.
That's pretty good, Mike.
Woo! Awesome. They look amazing. Thank you for teaching me your ways.
Absolutely. Quick test cut?
Paracord?
Yes.
Let's do it. It will cut.
All right, so you're packing these up and people can follow you,
That's
figure
right.
out where they end up.
They're actually going into these fake Stillhouse cans that we turned into a camping kit with a custom holster on the side. I don't know about you, but I think they look pretty sweet and are very discreet. Find me on Instagram, and you might even get a chance of grabbing one of these little camping kits. So, thank you again, Brett. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what else?
I'm gonna go eat an apple.
Perfect. Bye. Does it cut? Oh, it cuts.